Okay, welcome to another session or other series. In this series, we solve the questions under the topic linear equations and inequalities in the book A plus series. Okay, so this is the book we're using. We're solving the questions. Okay, so in this session, we start with question number 1. Okay, it says solve the inequality 3x minus 4 less than 5x plus 4. Okay, so let's do that. It says 3x minus 4 less than 5x plus 4. So we group the like terms. Okay, we group the like terms. Here we have 3x and we have 5x. So we can move this here and then we move this here, or we can do the opposite as well. We can move the x values to the right hand side, sorry, to the left hand side, and move the non-x values to the right hand side. Okay, so let's do that. So we have 3x, then we bring the 5x over. If it comes over, it becomes what? Minus 5x, right? Then we bring our sign, which is less than. Then we have our 4. Then this 4 goes over, so we have plus 4. Okay, we have plus 4. So when we simplify, we have negative 2x less than what? 8. So now we divide both sides by negative 2. Okay, so that we can get our x. So this negative 2 cancels here, and this will cancel here. How many times? Negative 4 times. Okay, cool. So, but you have to pay attention to something, right? When we are dividing by negative with inequalities, the sign would have to flip. So if we divide by negative 2 and this side by negative 2, then we have to flip the less than to become greater than. Okay, cool. That's the rule for solving these inequalities. Anytime we're dividing by a negative number, then the sign would have to flip. Okay, cool. If it was greater than, we need to flip to less than. Cool, let's do that. So we have over negative 2 over negative 2. So we have to flip this, right? So now we have x greater than, this will go here, negative 4. Cool. So we have x greater than negative 4. So this is our answer. Do we have it here? Yes, we have it right here. So our answer is what? A. Our answer is A. Cool. Question number 2. It says, which of the following illustrates the solution set of 4 minus 3x greater than or equal to negative 5? So now we need to just find x, then we represent it on the number line. So let's find x. So it says 4 minus 3x greater than or equal to negative 5, right? So what we can do is we group like that. So this 4 will go here, right? So what do we have? We have negative 3x greater than or equal to negative 5 minus 4. Okay, so we have negative 3x greater than or equal to negative 9. So we divide both sides by what? Negative 3. So we can cancel out. Okay, but as we mentioned, when we're dividing by negative, the sign would have to change, right? Okay, so let's do that. We have negative 3x over negative 3 less than or equal to negative 9 over negative 3. So finally, negative 3 cancels negative 3, and then negative 3 goes into negative 9 3 times, right? So our answer will be x less than or equal to 3. So this is our answer. This is our answer. So now, which of so which of the number lines here, shows this x less than or equal to 3? So less than or equal to, it means what? 3 is inclusive, right? 3 is inclusive, and then x is less than this, so that means all the numbers less than 3, all the numbers less than 3 downwards, so that will be 3, 2, 1, 0 downwards until negative infinity, right? And then 3 will be inclusive. Okay, so where is that? So A shows that perfectly because we have 3 inclusive, then it goes down. Okay, so A is our answer. A is our answer. Cool. Now should we move on, or we should go to, yeah, I think we should stop here for now, and then in the next session we'll continue with question number 3. All right, see you again next time. Bye.